Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to draw a triangle in Photoshop CS6. Create a new layer. Select the shape tool. Right click and use polygon tool. Click here. Then use insert color. I use this color stroke. I do not first of all use stroke. Then corner triangle for 3. Slide smooth corner or star as your wish. Okay, then press enter. Hold control, click and drag it. Sorry, hold shift, then click and drag it. Hold shift. Sorry, hold shift. Okay, then now see this rectangle. Modify this, click shapes and use smooth corners, star, stroke color, black or yellow as your wish. I do not use this color. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.